welcome back and welcome to another video. Evry Jewels have ever so kindly gifted me some pieces to do a haul for you guys on YouTube. Now, I am obsessed with these pieces. Like, I first found them on Instagram and I fell in love with all of their unique, trendy items. They do like rings, necklaces, earrings. They do like so many other pieces as well. I think they did like slippers and clothing and bags. Like, they have a whole array of stuff and all of their items are so cute and up to date and trendy, and I really think you're gonna love it. Evry Jewels has ever so kindly gave me a code for you guys, and it is YouTube30. That will get you 30% off their website. I will leave all of the details here and all of the information in the description as well, just like usual, and all of the links to the pieces if you are interested in purchasing anything that I am like showing you today. So I have my trusty iPad with me today so I can tell you all of the exact prices and the names and the sizes that I picked out. I did want to touch on a little bit was shipping. Now, shipping was very, very fast. It arrived within sort of a week of placing the order, I believe. There was no custom fees or anything like that, and it came in like a little bag. Like, let me show you without showing my address. Like, it came in this little bag. Obviously it can be posted through the letterbox, so you don't have to be home to take the parcel, which obviously is very, very handy. However, enough of me rambling on and on. Let me just get into the pieces and show you all the items that I picked out today. Yeah, let's just get into it. First off, I just want to touch on packaging because, sorry, like, how cute is this little Ziploc wallet? I feel like I'm going to use this for something, but I don't know what I'm going to use it for, but I feel like I need this little Ziploc pouch in my life. Maybe I could put like coins or something in there, but I really love this packaging. It says Evry Jewels for every day, and it came with some little stickers, and it came with like a little thank you jewel care little card to tell you how to clean your jewelry, take care of your jewelry. It does say that all of the pieces are 14 karat gold and silver plated over brass, and 18 karat gold and silver plated over stainless steel. That is super important to me because I have like so many earrings in the past that have been like cheap and turned my ear green. Like, I am terrible for wearing cheap earrings and it just sending my ears disgusting. So first up, I got this little ring. I got this in a size 6, and it has sort of not hearts, what am I blind? It has stars on it, and they're like pink stars with a smiley face. Now, I think this is so cute. I bought this for my middle finger or my index finger, whichever I prefer, and I am obsessed with this. Like, I think it's so sweet and so cute. Like, I've never seen a ring quite so cute in my whole entire life. This was £18 and it definitely fits me perfectly. Thought this would be like really cute to pair with like a pink outfit or some other pink jewelry. I first saw this on Instagram and I saw it with other pink jewelry, like other pink rings, and I thought that is so cute. That I need that in my life. I'm not really a ring wearer, however, I picked out some rings because I want to try and incorporate rings into my life, into my style, because I feel like it makes an outfit. When I saw like a few girls do their outfit inspo and their jewelry inspo, and it just looked really cute, and I am a big lover for gold jewelry, so all of these pieces in this haul are gold because I don't know, something about gold just hits different than silver. I don't know how to explain. I feel like gold is definitely more fashion, more statement inspired, but I love this so much and I think it is so cute. Oh, it just makes me like go, oh, that's so cute. So next up, to pair with that pink ring, obviously to try and incorporate my pink jewelry into my rings, I got this bling ring. This one is £19, and look at the shine and the iridescence on that. Like, you can really tell that it is really good quality. I got this in a size 6, I believe, because I wanted this to go on my middle finger, and oh my god, like, I love this so much. It's giving me like princess vibes. It's giving me expensive. She's expensive. She's got crystals on her finger. She's got gold jewelry, diamantes type vibes, without being like a big rock, being a big gem on the finger, if that makes sense. But I love this so much. Like, the shine and the reflectiveness on this ring is just to die for. I think this would look really cute with the star one, with the little pink smiley faces, and yeah, she's so cute. I also noticed, like, I don't think I'm going to be able to show you because it's like so tiny and so hard for me to show you this, but it says Evry on the inside of the ring. I don't know if the other one had it as well, but that is such like a cute piece. That is really showing like luxury value, and I'm obsessed with it. I think this is going to look really, really cute with the other one pieced together. Do you not think? I think so too. So next up, I got a necklace. Now I am a big lover of necklaces. I love gold necklaces so much, and I got this angel number necklace, and it just has the angel number 444 on it. This necklace is £18, and for the longest time, like, I have wanted an angel number necklace and not been able to find a very good quality one. Like, you can get them cheap off Amazon and eBay for like between the £10 and £15 mark. However, this is £18, so a little bit, only like a tiniest bit extra than the cheaper ones you can get. However, this is amazing quality. The chain is fairly like medium thickness, and I have worn this in the shower and it's not like rubbed off or anything. I wore it in the shower by accident. Like, I forgot to take it off. It wasn't purposely meant for me to wear it in the shower. However, it happened and it's not done any damage to it, and I just think this is really, really cute. I saw Madison Sarah, I think, wearing something similar, and I fell in love with it. I think this is really, really nice. Obviously, like, angel numbers are very like on trend at the minute. I feel everyone knows about them, everyone is seeing them, and 444 and 222 are my angel numbers that I see all the time, and I really, really like this. I feel like this is going to be my everyday go-to necklace that I can wear with everything, piece with everything, have sort of a sentimental value to it. And yeah, I really think this is going to be like, I'm going to wear this like for the rest of my life until it breaks. So next up, I got this clear crystal eternity ring, and I got this in a size 5. I got this in a size smaller than the rest, and this was £12. I just love this so much. I feel like it's very dainty. It's very like bling and on trend without being so in your face, without being like, look at me. I feel like this would definitely be really, really cute pairing it with something a bit more out there like the other rings that I picked out, and it just sort of adds a little bit of extra something else to your hand, to the jewelry. It is very, very dainty. Like, the strap is very, very thin, but I feel like that's what makes it so cute and so unique. You'll be able to see that I have like tiny hands, and I often find rings a bit of a hit or miss with me. However, all of these sizes of the rings, like, I cannot fault. Like, they are perfect. And I guess my size, well, I didn't guess my size, but I know my size in the UK, sort of, I think it's J, I think. And there is a size conversion on their website, so you can have a look where your size is from your country you're in to what size are available for sale. And yeah, I think this is so cute. Like, I love this so much. Like, this could be worn like every day. Like, you don't have to have other rings. Like, I feel like this is cute enough on its own, and then if you wear it with the other pair of rings, then it just adds a little something else. So next up, I got these earrings. Oh my gosh, like, when I saw these on the website, I fell in love with these earrings. They are the Pondering angel earrings, and they are £15. They are like little huggies, I think they're called, and I have 3 piercings, and I love to wear like a dangly one on the bottom. Look how cute this is. Like, the attention to detail is ridiculous. Like, it's unmatched. It has a pink heart, and it has just an angel sitting in there, and on the back it says Evry, and I love these so much. Like, I am a sucker for tiny little cute dainty dangly earrings, and I love the huggies. They obviously open just like at the back like that with a little clasp, and you just push it in. Huggies are definitely my go-to style of earrings at the moment, because I feel like I sleep in them, so it doesn't like irritate my ears, or it isn't quite hard on my ears when I sleep. So I would definitely recommend trying out some huggy style earrings. Okay, so last but not least is this little, I think it's a little heart necklace. Let me get it out, hold on. This is the mystery item which you get for free, I think, when you spend a certain amount. I will leave all the details below. I'm not 100% sure what the name is of this. Is it a heart necklace, or is it just have a heart on the end? Oh no, it is just a plain chain, a plain gold chain. Obviously, like, this is like an essential. I feel like I've hit a winner here with this free gift, and it has a little heart on the end, and that obviously says Evry, and I think it's that it has a little smiley face on it as well. It does have a clasp as well, a very thin gold chain, very dainty, very, what's the word? I feel like dainty is the right word for this. You can piece it with another like necklace or a layered style kind of vibe, or you could just wear it on its own. Like, if you were like going out and you just wanted a simple necklace, then this is like your go-to. I don't think I have a necklace quite as dainty as this one. I will leave the link for this. I will try and look for it on the website. because it was the free item. I don't know its name and stuff, but I will try and leave it in the description if you are interested in this little dainty piece. But how cute is this? I feel like I would wear this with another necklace and have it as like a 2-chain type layered vibe, but you could just wear it on its own, like if you were going out. If I was like going out in like a little black dress, then a bit of gold jewelry, something dainty, just looks quite expensive, just looks quite, you know, classy. A big thank you to Evry Jewels for gifting me these pieces. You can use the code YouTube30 for 30% off. I will leave all the information here on screen and down in the description. Thank you for watching. I will see you very soon for another video. Bye.